Hey there, tech lovers! Are you ready to dive into the world's most awesome laptop for work and play? Today, we're talking about the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 laptop. This thing is a beast, and I'm here to break it down for you. First off, let's talk about its design. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for taking on the go. Weighing in at just 3.9 pounds, this laptop is easy to slip into a bag or backpack and forget it exists until you need it. That's not just convenient, it's also a major selling point if you're always on the move. But what really gets me excited about this laptop is its specs. We've got an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor under the hood, which is basically a high-performance brain that handles all your multitasking needs with ease. This means you can have multiple windows open at the same time, crunch numbers like a pro, and still get great battery life. Now, let's talk about the display. The 16-inch WUXGA IPS 300 nits non-touch anti-glare screen is simply stunning. It's got a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, which means you'll be seeing every detail in crystal clear. Plus, with 300 nits of brightness, it's perfect for working in bright environments or on the go. And then there's the graphics. The AMD Radeon 680M graphics chip delivers smooth performance and great visuals, making it perfect for gaming, video editing, or just browsing the web. With a hybrid display that reduces glare and reflections, you'll be able to see what you're working on in all kinds of lighting conditions. But don't even get me started on the webcam. This thing is top-notch, with a 1080p resolution and a privacy shutter that keeps your face out of view when you're not using it. It's like having your own personal assistant, always there to help you feel more confident in your online presence. Now, let's talk about security. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 has got this covered with a discrete TPM 2.0 chip and Kensington Nano security slot. These features prevent unauthorized access to your internal components and keep your laptop safe from physical theft. When it comes to multitasking, the 16GB DDR5 SDRAM memory gives you plenty of room to run multiple apps at once without sacrificing performance. And with a 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, you'll be enjoying faster render speeds and greater overall performance. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this laptop just for work? Absolutely not. With Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11a2x2 and Bluetooth 5.3, you can stay connected to the cloud or your friends wherever you are in the world. Plus, with USB-A, USB 5 gigabits per second / USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB-C, USB 10 gigabits per second / USB 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4, this laptop is ready for anything you throw at it. But the best part? This laptop comes with Windows 11 Professional installed, which means you'll be getting all the latest features and security updates to keep your work or school life running smoothly. In terms of performance, I've got to say, this laptop delivers. From simple tasks like browsing the web to more demanding tasks like video editing, it handles everything with ease. And the battery life? Forget about it, you can go all day without needing a charge. So, what's the verdict? The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 laptop is an absolute beast of a machine that will make your work and play life so much easier. Trust me when I say this thing will exceed your expectations. Get ready to experience the ultimate in laptop performance. Want to get your hands on one for yourself? Check out the link below for the best price. Don't miss out on this incredible deal.